Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
You gon' learn today, you gon' learn today, you gon' learn today. Had to get it off, why not be the boss? Started in Tampa Bay. Life in the matrix will crumble you. Poverty struggle will humble you. Florida State, relocate, pack my bags and I moved to Colombia. Hola mujeres bonitas, they say that it's cheaper to keep her. That's why I learn more than you. Crypto, I'm learning you. Learn crypto TV is turning to. Please don't waste my time. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV.
Just wanted to pop in real quick, make a real quick episode, you know what I'm saying? You got to excuse my mess in my little work area back there. But I just wanted to pop in real quick and show you the process of how to purchase Hypercycle. Hypercycle is my top project. It's an AI project. And, I think that if you understand what you're getting yourself into when you invest in this particular project, then you can set yourself up for future and generational wealth generation. So, you know what I'm saying? It is a project that pays passively. So, you know what I'm saying? I think you ought to do your research on it. I do have a couple of episodes on my, one episode on my program and a live on my channel that talks about Hypercycle, but you should do your own research a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, so you can figure out how you can get in where you fit in, man. And now is the time to get in. If there was ever a time to get into a project, this is it. So I want y'all to go ahead and jump on this, check this out, watch the buying process, and then we'll come back in a second.
Node Factory Owners Report. So, Hypercycle's strategic vision to empower node factory owners to maximize the potential of their operations. Their aim is to be able to enable the Internet of AI, seize financial opportunities, and position themselves to meet the global AI economy's demand. Through this vision, they're striving to ensure scalable growth and sustained success for all stakeholders involved. Hypercycle was launched in October 2022 by Tufi Saliba, who has a long history in AI projects, cryptography, and cybersecurity. Under his leadership, Hypercycle quickly grew, selling over 280,000 licenses in its first year and achieving unicorn status with a valuation growth of over 60 times. The platform focuses on enabling secure and efficient collaboration between AI systems, aiming to create and decentralize AI network and enhance AI capabilities and promote cooperative intelligence. It is important to emphasize that at its core, Hypercycle is a software developer focused on engineering the network infrastructure for the Internet of AI, rather than a hardware provider or AI developer. They are fully committed to ensuring the success of the clients or customers through the node factory owners. Now, Hypercycle's Node Factory presents a groundbreaking opportunity for entrepreneurs and businesses to tap into the burgeoning AI economy. By establishing a node factory, owners can leverage Hypercycle's advanced tools and infrastructures to create and manage AI systems effectively. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but opens doors to lucrative financial prospects. The Node Factory growth has been significant in the Node Factory setups in 2025. So, 58 million Hypercycles tokens have been liberated into Node Factories. 85 million Hypercycle in the early deployment program. 43% of the supply is in circulation, and more than 3,500 Node Factories have been created. And just so you know, you're looking at my Node Factories 3550 and 3551. Hypercycle's Node Factory business model encompasses 5 key stakeholders, each playing a crucial role. An individual or entity can assume more than one of these stakeholder roles. Node operator, AI developer, hardware provider, Hypercycle engineers, or Node Factory owners. And that's where we come in, the Node Factory owners. Project C8 is designed to enhance the efficiency of the Node Factory owners by integrating advanced tools such as an Aimfire, Quantum M, and more, thereby optimizing operations. This initiative encompasses automatic upgrades, increased node output, and new security features, all aimed at maximizing performance and ensuring robust security measures. The incorporation of these advanced tools will significantly elevate the value of the Node Factory. The benefits of the Project C8 are multifaceted. You get enhanced production and value, which elevates both the output and efficiency of the Node Factory's integrated scaling mechanism, and that just simply means the ability to produce new nodes. You get a fortified network. The ecosystem will gain a stronger and more resilient network. That's with the more Node Factories being created. And secure and scalable AI. This is talking about the infrastructure that the users globally will have access to secure a scalable AI infrastructure, most likely businesses. Project C8 underscores the commitment of delivering maximum value to early adopters of Hypercycle Node Factories. And I am an early adopter. So, now as a part of this Project C8, Hypercycle is launching a comprehensive education initiative designed to empower Node Factory owners and operators with essential skills and knowledge. This program includes 3 distinct training levels. You have a 9-hour operators course, you have a 9-day developers course, a 9-week enterprise course. Those who establish a Node Factory prior to the commencement of these programs will receive educational credits. These credits can be used by the owners themselves to increase the revenue sharing percentage via their operating their Node Factory, or distributed to individuals or groups to enhance Node Factory operations. The credits cover training costs and can be transferred, thereby reducing financial barriers and encouraging active participation. This initiative is pivotal for the expansion and the growth of Hypercycle and scaling to meet the demands of the AI and computation economy. By providing accessible and incentivized training, Hypercycle aims to foster a skilled and engaged community, driving innovation and growth in the industry. And lastly, Hypercycle has partnered with World YMCA to create HyperY, an AI platform enhancing information sharing across the global YMCA network. HyperY links YMCAs worldwide, fosters collaboration, ensures equal access to information, and provides better data access for informed decisions. Unveiled in January of 2025, with a global rollout planned for Q4 of 2025 across 120 countries, 12,000 offices, and 64 million people, HyperY is anticipated to generate a significant revenue, and Node Factory owners will benefit from increased demand from the AI services, higher utilization, and earnings, enhancing the Node Factory's value, expanded market reach, and innovation in AI technology.
Luke drumming on the beat, bitch.
Saw that you saw the process, you know what I mean? It was real easy. As you can see, you definitely need some Ethereum. You're definitely gonna need you some USDC in order to be able to get your node up and tilling and things like that. But you know, if you need some help, just shout out to me at CryptoKingCarlos@gmail.com, the email. You know what I'm saying? I'll be more than happy to set you up. You can swap for these tokens inside MetaMask, because most of you can't get a Mexi account in order to be able to get to this token, and that's where you would get it if you are able to on Mexi, MEXC. You know what I'm saying? But the next best thing is to load your MetaMask account up with Ethereum and do what you saw what I did, is swap for that token within the MetaMask wallet, so that way you can set up your node factories on dapp.hypc.ai, and then the other website that you'll need that you saw is nodemarket.io in order to be able to get the license. But anyway, man, glad y'all stuck around. You saw the process. Just wanted to make a quick video to let y'all know Hypercycle, artificial intelligence, this is the narrative. That's where it's at. Getting as many AI projects as you possibly can, that your budget will allow you, and that way you can run it up, you know what I'm saying, for this bull cycle that's coming. Other than that, we'll see y'all on the other side. Ciao.